In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. If you want to learn how to send photos using something different than standard communication apps like WhatsApp or Messenger, here's how to do it using default Messages app on your iPhone. Begin by launching it and deciding if you wish to create or select one of your chats. Either way, when you're ready, use this plus at the bottom left corner. If your keyboard is on though, the same plus will be located at the top left one of your keyboard. Either way, when you tap, you will see this pop-up show. Now you can hit camera at the top and take a photo. If you decided you don't wanna, you can close your camera by clicking at the top left corner. To operate your camera though, you can hit photo here. Most people forget about this part and use all of those options. You can also use those above your shutter and those at the top right corner. To switch your camera, click on this button at the bottom right one. And whatever you decided, when you're ready, just take a photo and wait. As you can see, mine was successfully too. If you don't like it though, you can hit retake at the top left corner and take another one. Then to manage it, you can hit edit at the bottom left corner here. Make your changes, and to save them, hit done at the top right corner. To discard them, cancel at the top left one. You can also hit markup, tap on OK, and mark your photo however you want to. Then, to save your changes, hit save, and to discard them, use this X. And last choice, which is, if you want to send this photo right away, click on this arrow at the bottom right corner. To only add it to your message, hit done at the top right corner. Now, if you want to pick a photo that's already on your device, hit this plus at the bottom left corner again, and this time choose photos. Now it's time to click on all of your pictures you wanna add, and if you can't find them, you need to scroll to look for them in photos or collections at the top. After finding your photos, tap on the chosen ones and attach them thanks to this check mark at the top right corner. If you still can't find them though, don't worry, you need to go back to Photos section and use those two tools people forget about. Those three dots over here. If you want to sort your photos or use one of those filters to look easier, or this magnifying glass at the bottom right corner that can let you type